Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you BONADE Chrome Shower System without the mixer tap. Wall-mounted shower kit with square 8 inches Rainfall shower head, handheld shower, adjustable slide bar, and the GI 1/2 shower hoses. If you have an under-wall built-in mixer tap or another devices as a thermostatic style thing, then this is the right thing for you. This is a Chrome shower system. It's really easy to install. The BONADE shower system without the mixer tap is easy DIY upgraded our ordinary shower head into a Rainfall shower set with an hand shower. It's really easy. If you have an existing mixer valve, etc., right installed, then you can replace it with this shower head and other devices in the set without drilling. But if you do not have any holes in your wall, then of course you have to drill 2 holes for assembling this system. But it's not so hard, it's really easy. I will make a different video because of the installation thing, okay? This shower column is made of chrome brass, equipped with 2 functions, rainfall shower head and hand shower. Yeah, but take care, it is without mixer. You have to choose the different water flows by switching the different buttons. The shower set without thermostat, this must be installed before you will assemble this, or it is under your wall attached before. Okay, it is equipped with a square range shower head, 20 to 20 centimeters, or 25 centimeters, I think. This is about 8 inches, and a hand shower, 8 to 8 centimeters, with an 1.5 meter stainless flexible connection hose. And the hand shower is ABS plastic. The shower head is 304 stainless steel. It's made out of stainless steel. Ooh, and it's ultra thin. And the color is chrome. The height can be adjusted from 88 centimeters to 123 centimeters. It's suited for different needs, and the height can be adjusted any time. And it looks really comfortable. This shower can be installed at the correct height according to your needs before the installation. After installation, the height cannot be adjusted. So take care of this, and then you have all what you need in that box. The main material is made of brass. The shower head material is 304 stainless steel. The shower head material the shower head is made of stainless steel, and the hand material, or the hand shower, is made out of ABS plastic. The finish is chrome finish. It is no thermostat included. Take care of it. It's no taps or mixer included. That you have to install separately, or it has installed before. You have a hot-cold water switch and a rain shower 8 inches and a hand shower. The recommended pressure is 0.1 up to 0.5 millipascal. This is enough. These are the standard way of water. The rain shower size is 25 to 25, roundabout. The rain shower rotation angle is minus plus 15 degrees. The hand shower size is 8 to 8 centimeters. The shower rail is 88 up to 123 centimeters adjustable. The length of flexible shower is 150 centimeters, and it contains a standard connection, G1/2. The recommended installation height should be between 85 and 110 centimeters. You have a superior quality, chrome surfaces and square design. An adjustable shower bar before installation. The size of the shower head itself is huge. We are really huge. 20 up to 25 centimeters. This is large, I think. The material is stainless steel. Wow. The water outlet is silicium materials. Are environmentally compatible and easy to clean. You have an adjustable adapter with it. An ultra slim design, only 2 millimeters. Fashionable and modern appearance. The angle of the shower head, about 15 degrees, we can slightly adjust the direction of the shower as we prefer. And of course, it's 360 rotatable. Oxytropism technology is built in. The air injection saves up to 30% of water. Air energy technology offers a powerful and consistent rain shower even under low water pressure. And you have adjustable shower bar. The height of the bar is adjustable between 88 up to 125 centimeters. Slider for height is adjustment. Great for us and our family. And you have a diverter. 2 shower modes, hand shower mode or overhead shower mode, Rainfall. The diverter on the shower bar provides easy change between overhead and hand shower. Oh, this looks nice, this sounds nice. It is a complete, ready to install Chrome shower system. That it is. I will make an installation video later. That it is how it works manually. It's really easy. You have to drill 2 holes, get the holes in position, place the shower system on top, connect the hoses. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.